was a mile marker bending in the heat. Sky stretched thin like a worn-out sheet. I wasn't looking for a sign or a clue, just driving through what I couldn't undo. Old radio barely holding a tune, static dancing in the afternoon. Something slipped through the empty blue, like it had a map straight leading to you. I didn't turn the dial, didn't ask for anything new. There it was, breaking through. It was a song that found you out on the road with nothing left to prove. Fell through the cracks in the quiet and the blue, like it always knew. It was a song that found you. Didn't matter where you were passing through. Hit like a truth you never could outrun. Yeah, it found you. Windshield humming with a low refrain, dustless horizon, no hint of rain, but every word felt sharp and true, like it was written in a room I knew. I pulled over just to hear it clear, heart catching up to my ears, and in that moment something shifted view, like I've been seen without a single clue. Maybe you waited in the wires for years, slipped through stations, dodged all the noise and fears. Maybe it followed every turn you made till the silence opened just enough space, and it played like it knew your name. Never says it, but it feels the same. It was the song that found you, soft as a spark, but it cut right through. Lit up a place you thought you always knew, but never could. It was the song that found you. No need to chase what was already true. Some things arrive when your heart makes room. Yeah, it found you. Radio faded, but I still hear it move, like it's riding every road I choose. Not something lost or something to pursue, just the song that found you. Morning light spill soft across the floor, coffee cooling by the door. I used to chase a distant view, now I'm waking up to you. All the noise I held so tight fades into a quieter kind of right. Love what you have, right where you stand. Not every dream needs a bigger plan. Hands in the moment, heart finally still. Some things don't need fixing, some never will. Love what you have, let it be. There's a kind of magic in the simple stuff. City hum like a gentle song, Love what you have, right where you stand. No more reaching for another land. Here in the present, I understand. Everything I needed was close at hand. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a steady beauty in the simple stuff. Soft as a whisper, clear as a drift. I was searching for more, found it in you. I saw the way you looked at her like she lit a match inside your chest. Don't bother telling me it's harmless. I've memorized your worst and best. Your coat still smelled like winter air and something sweet that wasn't mine. You came home late with lips half tucked behind a crooked, silent lie. So don't say her name, I already know. I watched it happen, soft and slow. The way your fingers brushed her wrist like I was someone you could miss. Hope she tastes the guilt you hid, 'cause I was that girl you kissed before you learned to forget me quick. I'm not the storm you thought I'd be. I'm quieter than you deserve, but every calm hides undertow. And baby, I have heard your words. You said you love me like no other. I guess you must be just like air, the kind that sneaks into your lungs while I'm still choking on your care. So don't say her name, I already know. I felt it shift that undertow. The way your smile began to twist like love was something you could quit. You marked me like a cigarette and burned through that girl you kissed, like I was just your last regret. And maybe she won't mind the ghosts you carry in your heavy hands, but I hope one night you see my face when you're trying hard to love again. So don't say her name, I carved it deep into the space you used to keep. The one that gave the tears I hid, the version of me you dismissed. Hope she knows who paid the price for that girl you kissed, and every lie behind that night. Yeah, I was that girl you kissed, and the one you left behind.
find peace as they glide on through. Every glow, a promise made anew. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow. In the calm, just let it show. Shadows drift in a slow ballet. Nature's lullaby begins to sway. Every note in a sweet array, painting silence with a touch of gray.